Good morning. Positive for today. When we are in pursuit of something, never ever mistake obsession for purpose. Kapag yung pangarap kasi natin out of obsession, kahit makasakit ka ng ibang tao, pilit mo itong makakamit. You are driven out of your selfish motives and selfish interest. Ang nakalulungkot kapag driven ka ng obsession. Yes, makakamit mo yung pangarap mo, but eventually, you will find yourself still at the bottom of your next goal. Talagang mag-isa ka dyan. Kapag driven ka naman ng purpose, you're always willing to work with others. Malalim dito yung sense of compassion. Yung malasakit sa kapwa. Yung gusto mong makamit yung isang bagay dahil meron kang gustong paglaanan nito. At kapag nakamit mo na yung pangarap mo, hindi ka mag-isa because you're always willing to share it with others and help others to reach the same. Kaya sana kalimutan mo na yung mga obsession sa isip mo when you are in pursuit of something. Alisin mo na yung sarili mo sa mga attachment na ito. At mangibabaw sa iyo yung sense of purpose. Because through this, everything falls into its places. Sa tulong ng kapwa mo, sa tulong ng Diyos. Love, love.